Good evening, Statesboro. I hope this message is finding you good and in great spirits. I'm coming to you tonight to address COVID-19 within our community. Bulloch County has seen a substantial increase in COVID-19 cases over the past 2 weeks. On June 15th, Bulloch County had 108 cases. As of today, June 24th, we now have 219 cases of COVID-19 cumulatively. That is a 100% increase over the past 2 weeks within our community. Statesboro, we must take this seriously. Since yesterday, the number of new cases increased by 36, which is the largest 24-hour increase that our county has seen to date. We've also seen increases in surrounding counties as well. As a regional hub, our city and our county, residents from surrounding counties visit us regularly to get the supplies and needs that they have. We need to do what we can to not only stop the spread in our community, but those other communities that use our community as a resource. I want you to rest assured that your local community leaders have been working for several months now to ensure that our community is prepared for the worst. However, if we are united in stopping the spread of this virus, it won't come to that. Just this week, many of Statesboro local businesses have shut down due to potential or confirmed exposures. I applaud those businesses for making that very tough decision to put our community's health over their profits. I think we could all learn a lesson from those businesses. Ultimately, it's not just about our health, but the health of anyone that you come into contact. With that being said, we must remain vigilant. Though our daily routines have somewhat returned to normal, we do not want to be complacent. The virus is still here. I ask each of you to do your part to help slow the spread. Here are some ways that you can help. Maintain social distancing. Keep a distance of 6 feet between yourselves and others. Wear a mask or cloth cover or clean them over your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. Stay home if you feel unwell. Refrain from smoking and other activities that weaken the lungs. Limit all non-essential travel and avoid large crowds when possible. You can continue to patronize local restaurants, but try to get your food to go, do curbside pickup, or use the drive-thru. Check with the Center for Disease Control and the Georgia Department of Health for more information and helpful tips on how to protect yourself and your family. And don't forget to remain calm. Let's do what we can to flatten the curve. What should you do if you think you're sick? Call your healthcare provider or the Bulloch County Health Department. You can reach your Bulloch County Health Department at 855-473-4374. Do not show up at your doctor's office or emergency room or health department without calling first. For the latest case numbers and health tips, check the Center for Disease Control and Georgia Department of Health websites. To keep up to date on what's happening here in your city, visit the City of Statesboro's website, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube pages. We will continue to post updates. I want Statesboro to know that we are going to be able to make it through this. We are taking all of the necessary steps to keep not just our local citizens safe, but those individuals that come into our community. As it relates to our business sector and our economy, Statesboro continue to shop local. It is vitally important at this moment that we do all that we can to make sure that our local businesses are able to remain open and strong. But beyond that, Statesboro, we have come together and we've put together programs to help support our businesses. But this is a journey that we cannot do alone. This is an all of us journey. a journey that we're only going to be able to successfully navigate if we work together. Wearing a face mask is not a political statement. COVID-19 could care less about your political affiliation, your views on the world. The only thing COVID-19 wants to do is to survive. And the only way it can survive is with human host. Be a good neighbor, wear your mask, protect not just yourself, but care enough about your greater community to wear a mask whenever you are out and about. Again, this is not a political statement as to whether you wear a mask or not. This is scientific-based evidence and evidence-based best practices to keep all of us safe. Statesboro, may God continue to bless you and the United States of America.